through his hands. As darkness fell across the land, yet mercy flowed from wounded side, as hope for all was crucified. No greater love the world has known than Christ, who left his heavenly throne. He gave his life so